Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Before you treat your garden for diseases and pests, it's really important to identify and understand what's affecting your plants so you can act accordingly. So this is an eggplant. It is being devastated by the flea beetle. All these holes are from flea beetles, and they tend to really go after the eggplant here in Maryland, Zone 7. They will affect other plants, but we see it all the time on our eggplant. And if you look right there, you can see two of the flea beetles. Now, they come regularly throughout my season here in Maryland. You can see another one right there. You can see one just hopped off of there here. Oh, that one just hopped off too. So they can jump, and they can jump an easy 6 inches or something like that. So they can jump up from the ground. They can move across your plants. They are devastating. There goes one right there. Let's see if we can make it jump. There, it's gone. So the way that you deal with them, because they can just keep coming over the summer here, over the warm weather here in Maryland, they can get to other plants. The best way to treat these is insect dust. You can use Captain Jack's, that's an organic dust. You can use 7 Dust, that's a human-made chemical dust. But you want to dust the leaves. I typically say do this at night after the pollinators go in, because any dust, organic or not, is going to kill all insects that come in contact with it. But the dust will kill off the flea beetles. I've tried sprays before. I've tried neem oil, helps a little bit. I've tried peppermint oil, helps a little bit. But if you really have an infestation of flea beetles, that's when you want to use the insect dusts. And you would just finely dust everything, because they hop everywhere. Let's see if these will move when I touch them. That one's gone. They're going to hop all over the place, so they are going to land in the dust. It will kill them off. And you're going to have to do this with an infestation. Really, I would do it one time. If it doesn't rain, dust again in about 5 to 7 days. If it doesn't rain again, dust in about 5 to 7 days. If the rain does come, wash it off, you're going to have to put it back on. But you're really trying to keep the dust on for about a 7 to 14 day period. Kill off the flea beetles, and then you're just going to have to do maintenance. And that might just be a light dusting every 10 to 14 days. But when you see these holes on your eggplant, on other plants, this is what the pattern's going to look like. It's not just one hole here or there. It's a devastation. They just sit there and just eat through your leaf. There's one right there. That's flea beetles. Dust, take care of it, and your garden will come back to life very quickly. Once you remove them off eggplant, give them a nitrogen drink, water-soluble nitrogen, or any plant that's being affected by the flea beetle, and the new leaves will come in and the plants will do really, really well. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'll be doing a whole series on what's ailing your garden. It'll be diseases, insects, and the solution. If you'd like to check out or if you like to listen to podcasts, I have a new podcast out with Callie Kim, another YouTuber. Check out the video description below. It's a 45-minute podcast. The first one's about starting your first vegetable garden, and we're going to be doing several a month, 45 minutes long, so you can listen to them while you drive, commute to work, or while you're in the garden. Thanks for watching.